guys, welcome to today's presentation. I want to give a demo on how to have your own portfolio website or your simple website whereby you can upload your articles. You can upload any post that you might want to go online, or you can upload your contents, or you can showcase whatever thing you are good at, whatever thing you are doing. If you are a designer, you can post your things there so that people can see. Uh, we will use, there are a number of CMS platforms that help us create a website. And we have WordPress, we have Wix, among others. So for this, I'm going to use Wix to create one, so that since it is an open source that much, it is not that difficult to use, uh, unlike the WordPress itself. But let us try the Wix side. Then we'll also create another video for the WordPress. Now let's jump in. Okay, so this is already a page. You will come to your browser. Then on your browser, I want you to type Wix. Then it will take you to the page of Wix website. You can either click on this, or you can go direct to building a website for free. And then you can see where it will take you. Let us go with this, so that we can see the whole website, the contents that are in the home page. Now, uh, what we simply do when we are here is either, if you have account already with Wix, you log in, or if you don't have account, you get started. The same link will take you to the same page, get started. So now that we are starting from scratch or afresh, let's get started. Yeah. So if you already have account, you can go and log in. But now we want to sign up and then get into the dashboard. So I usually like signing in with Google. So this one makes it much easier. We'll click on Google, or you can input your details where necessary. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I'll try another way. Let's try another way. Get your Galaxy 20s, open settings up, tap Google. Let's follow that procedure and then get it faster. I'll get back when this one is done, guys. It won't take long. So we are back, guys. We are now signing in. We have passed that process. Yeah, we are now being redirected to the page that we want. Like, we are now logging into the Wix account. Let's see where it is going to land us. Who are you creating a website for? So in this case, it is for personal, not for a client, but it is your own personal website. So we click on this and then we say continue. So here, if you are a blogger, if you want to create your own portfolio is our website which showcases your skills, your projects, things you've done, and about you, and anything that is just about you, so that employers can know more about you, what you can offer to them, and think that you are smart at. So in this case, let me use as a portfolio, or you can create as a blogger. So let us select portfolio. We say continue. design portfolio, creative portfolio. We can select this option that is giving us. Um, Design portfolio. We can just leave it portfolio, then continue. If we leave it portfolio, then we continue. It will give us a general website that we want for a portfolio. Yes. What is it called? We can give it a name. Which name do you suggest we give this? Uh, hmm. Tech portfolio. Okay, we can go with that. What are your goals for the site? Showcase creative work? Yes. Get booked online? Yes. You can get booked. Sell your product? Yes. Or you can offer online courses? Maybe, but not for now. Sell membership or plans? No. Collect donations? No. Show menu items? Yes. Things that you have. Manage reservations? Create and share content. You can create content and share. For that, we don't have that now. We don't need that. Let us go with those ones. And then let us see what else do you need to manage your site. Advertise on Google. You can add that one later. Send email marketing campaigns. You can add those ones later. And then create a link in bio page. And run your site on mobile if you want. You can add that. Then we now say finish. Let us prepare. So I think right now they have given another way which is more interesting. The AI is helping us generate this thing. And so there is a way of doing it on your own. But this one is even more simple because it is being generated for us. Now let us be taken to the dashboard where we can manage and edit the way we want. Now this is your dashboard as the owner of your website. As the owner of your website. So there are a number of steps that they want you to complete, but don't worry about these ones. Connect, you can, this is when you want to take Spotify.com. This is when you want to purchase the domain which you will have to pay. The domain name, you will have to buy it. If you want to decide that you want it now to go live, as in to be premium, you buy the domain. If you want to add a project, design your website, so you can come here and design. You get found on Google, this one, then get a mobile app for your business, then that one. So it also give you an application for your website. Now, from here, where do we go? Now, once we are here, let us first interact with the dashboard. Here we have the setup. That setup is here where we are right now. So the setup, this one will give you the view that we are having here. This view is for the setup side. So the setup is showing us that we are having some incomplete things. So this one should not concern you that much, but we will see how to go about them in the near future. So let's explore. Now we can go ahead and click on design site. Let us see. So you can customize a template or generate a design with AI. So and if you want to be generated a website for using the AI, you can go with that. But if you want to pick a template, then you can customize that and you can also go with that. Or if you like to continue setup for now, you can also pick that. Let us pick a template and edit. Let's pick a template and edit. Yeah. So these are the given templates for a portfolio. Check and select one. Let us see the one we can go with. On this page, I don't see one we can go with. Let us view this one and see. Let us view these. This is not that stunning. Let us go back. Let us go to another page and see what is on the next page. We are looking for under portfolios only. Think I like this. Go with this one. Let's dash in and edit this one. Now guys, here is our page. Our website is now loading and we are fully in. We are fully in, ready to edit, ready to make it the way we want. This is now the page you edit your portfolio the way you want it to be. If you generate it with the AI, it will also have a different look, almost completion. But now that we have already existing template, we will just have to edit this one, then make it our own. So that guys, this is where you can describe what your website entails. You can decide to give your info, some just a brief detail about your website. Add some details about your site. Okay, let us add that. We can say my portfolio website showcase my project skills and some of my activities. Then we say generate. Let us generate and see what we have there. Right. So now guys, we are on this page. Let us explore and see what we have. Project highlights and contact me there. This is cool. The project highlights for the projects we've been doing here. Then video showcasing what you've been doing. If you're a designer, you can upload your video and paste here. Here we're going to have more. We are going to add more sections for videos. About me, your about page. We can again add other sections here describing some skills you have learned so far. Then we have this section called the head now, the header section. And then with the menus also. So there is this header, we can make it a slider or a sticky one which does not move or which does not slide. And then we can now try to start editing. We can give it a try what we want to do. Let's say we have the bio up here. We have video, we have photos, contact, portfolio. Let me first see if I can change this image. Edit. Edit. You can decide to change either of the images that you want. So we want it out as my portfolio only. That's okay. Then we can either make it bold. Let us see the change it will bring. We can change this one to another thing. Let's say we don't want that. We want maybe a video. We want, okay, we can leave that on there. Then I don't want this part here. Good. So let us say we want to copy this, copy, paste. Then we take this one also, copy it, and paste it here. I think it is slow because the VPN is on. Let us turn off the VPN. Just turn this off. Then we can now have our site there. It will take some time to be a bit quick. Yeah, it was a bit slow because of the VPN. So we can have that one there. Then my portfolio, can drag and drop this one here. And then we can now do away with this. We can delete that one now. Now we have this one. Or if we like, we can change the background of this so that it can be something that is more appealing. Let us have another thing like this one. This one looks more better. Yeah. Then another thing that we need to do, can we add this font? Positioning. I think they should be aligned. Let us edit text. We can add the font. Let the font be 60. Then it is bold, yes. Robot or clinical. So then we come to correct line spacing. There is okay. We come to this one also. We edit this one. Take port. Let us adjust this one to 125. 125, yes. 125. Should we make this one bold? Let me see how it will come. Right. There is just okay. Good. So we can have it that way. Then we just edit this one. Just give it some more weight. Let's put it at 25 too, because it should not be that bigger. Then it should also be at the middle. Just align it in the center. Then we bring it down a bit. And this one, let it be happy. This one also, let it be somewhere here. Then my portfolio should be here. Then we make it a bit bigger. The seat is still small. 40. Good. Then we have it that way. Good. So I think for the dashboard, we are okay with the dashboard. Maybe if we want to add, maybe let me say we have to add an image. We want to add an image. Let us say we want to add an image. Come to this part here, add elements, then say an image. Upload image, import from Wix. Let us get from Wix. Just an example. Let us use this one. Let us use this one. Yeah. So let us say we want it somewhere on this side. This one we are still working on the header part. We are still working on the header. So we can edit these so that we see the shape of the image that we can have. Yes, I wanted this. I wanted this. This one looks awesome. Let us go with that. Then we say customize. So border, we don't need a border shadow. That one is okay. We can leave it that way. Then let us make it a bit circular. So you can imagine how your image will be looking inside here. So I have to align all of them in the center. So here's now where your creativity is needed. You see, welcome to TechPort. The name of the salutation part is not that good position. So I think we should have the image up, then bring it down. Let us take the image away. this one. We can group elements. Let us group them so that when we carry them in one. Yeah. Then this one. Good. So we are done with the header. We can leave that one that way. So you see these ones are aligned this side. I think we can carry them and then bring them at the center. The center, no, it's usually good when they are towards the right. So we can de-edit this one. Let us edit this one. Manage menu. What should we remove here? For now, for the learning purposes, we can just leave it that way because we can add also a button there. Let us, by the way, add a button. We can add a button. Let us add a button. A button for contact us button. Contact us button. Contact us or get started. Contact me. So this one should be contact me. With this one, let me take this one. Yeah, we position it where we want it to be. You add this one here. Uh-huh. Our website is coming. The coloring and all that for the button we will make. Then we will also add a link so that when it is clicked, it takes us directly to the page that we want. Let us add weight for this one, size, font, and all that. Manage menu. Let me see, click on manage, then we'll see where it is taking us. Home. I don't want this. And let me say settings and see. And see set as advanced. No, I don't want that. We can let us see more options. What are here? Quick edit, change the scroll. Quick edit. Let us quick edit and see what we can adjust. Oh, this one want to edit the setting. They get started. Okay. Get started. Contact me. Then we can add a link. We can link it to uh, a page. Choose the page. Which pages do you have your contact? You can say contact, collection, portfolio. It is a page. Choose a page. Contact. Yeah, add the page. You can add that page there. So it is adding the contact me page. Let us give it time so that it can add the page. Yeah, the page is here. Contact. Bio. Home. Portfolio. This one should come here. Portfolio. Followed by your bio. Yeah. So photos, this one's let's see what to do with them. So just come back here. But then we can now preview. We can preview what we have so far and see. So when you click on home, this is your home page. On page. Then just the same way we have done for the header here is the same way. You can this one you can extend, remove the ones you don't want. Let me see this contact what it has. It's coming to this part here, and then this other one which we just added. Where does it take us? Let us see where it is taking us. It is bringing us to this part. So this is a new part which we need to edit on our own. Alright. So guys, I think this one can bring you to the best way of creating your portfolio, of doing your own thing in the website that you want, depending on the things you want to showcase on the website. After doing all that, just make sure you publish so that it gets saved. When you come back later again, you just find it this way. So when you publish it, it will go online. This link you can share to anybody and see. We will leave at that point. Thank you guys, and that's all for now. And see you in the next video.